Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring why XRP holders might just be on the brink of extraordinary wealth. We'll cover Ripple's unique tech, adoption across global institutions, the outcome of their legal battles, and expert-backed price predictions. Grab your coffee and let's dive in. First, let's understand what sets XRP apart from other cryptocurrencies. While Bitcoin and Ethereum are popular for their decentralized networks, XRP is designed specifically for solving a massive problem: cross-border payments. Traditional systems like SWIFT are slow and expensive, but RippleNet uses XRP to settle transactions in seconds. We're talking 3 to 5 seconds compared to Bitcoin's 10 minutes or Ethereum's 5 minutes. Even better, XRP's transaction fees are a fraction of a penny, compared to Bitcoin's average fee of $1 to $5, making XRP perfect for high-frequency, large-scale transactions. This is why banks and financial institutions are drawn to XRP. It's efficient, scalable, and eco-friendly compared to proof-of-work systems. Now, let's talk about Ripple's monumental win against the SEC. For years, the SEC argued that XRP was a security, creating uncertainty for investors and institutions. But in July 2023, the courts ruled that XRP is not a security, marking a landmark moment for crypto regulation. This victory means that Ripple and XRP now have the legal clarity to expand without fear of regulatory pushback. It's also a signal to major investors that XRP is safe to integrate into their systems. The ripple effect? More partnerships, increased demand, and a new wave of institutional adoption. Ripple isn't just making noise, it's making deals. The company has already partnered with over 300 financial institutions, including Santander, SBI Holdings, and major banks in Asia, Europe, and the Middle East. Ripple's on-demand liquidity service, which uses XRP for real-time cross-border payments, is already operational in over 40 payout markets. This includes heavyweights like India, Japan, and the Philippines, key regions for remittances. And here's the kicker: central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs, could be built on Ripple's technology. Governments worldwide are exploring CBDCs, and Ripple is positioning itself as a leader in this space. If XRP becomes integral to CBDC infrastructure, its demand could skyrocket. Unlike fiat currencies, XRP has a fixed supply of 100 billion tokens, and over 80% of that is already in circulation. With growing institutional adoption and increasing use cases, demand for XRP is set to outpace supply, driving up its price. In the past, Ripple locked 55 billion XRP into an escrow account, releasing only a limited amount each month to maintain price stability. This careful approach ensures that XRP doesn't flood the market, preserving its value for long-term holders. So, where could XRP's price go? Analysts are optimistic. Conservative estimates place XRP at $10 in the next bull run, while more bullish scenarios suggest $50 or even higher if Ripple secures dominance in global payments and CBDCs. Remember, XRP hit $3.84 back in 2018 during its last bull run, and that was without the current level of adoption or regulatory clarity. The bottom line? If Ripple continues on its current trajectory, XRP holders could be looking at life-changing gains. Thanks for joining us on this journey into XRP's potential. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more updates. And don't forget, drop your XRP price predictions in the comments. Until next time, stay informed and stay invested.